Okay, now tapes. Different tapes. Where did those ones go? You know what? I think that my problem with this is that I need like a whole nother case there for tapes. Look at that. That is a beautiful sight. Oldies. Real oldies. See that? Okay. I didn't even know I had this many locks. But what, didn't I see another one there? No. Okay. These two are not the same. Heliflex. That's a wall. That's a tie for masonry. Heliflex. Flex. And this is an auger bit of a drill. My specialty trowel. There's a place for that, and there's, I don't know about that yet. Handles. San Francisco. Ex-girlfriend gave me that. Chuck it. I had the screwdrivers up in this one, but they were sort of lying this way, too narrow this way, and I think this is definitely better.